Friends, welcome to What's Q. So after the looking at the overview of GSTR 1, today we are going to see about the overview of GSTR 2, 2A you can say. So first we understand that GSTR 2 is a auto drafted and auto populated statement, but there are some questions that are arising from the what is actually GSTR 2A and what are the details that will be reflected there. So let's understand first what is GSTR 2A. So as explained by GST portal, it says that it's a system generated draft statement inward supply for receiver taxpayer. It is auto populated based on GSTR 1 of the supplier, means the seller. So who has sold the goods. Once GSTR 1 is uploaded, so based on that GSTR 2A is auto populated in buyer's ledger. So it is created for a receiver taxpayer when the GSTR 1 to 5 and 6, 7 and 8 is filed by the supplier. The details become available to the receiver taxpayer for view, and the details are uploaded incrementally as and when the supplier taxpayer upload or change the details in their respective GSTR for given tax period. The auto-populated details in particular supplier container will get frozen when he submits or file his return. So till the returns are filed, if GSTR 1 is data is uploaded, so GSTR 2 become a draft details are available on portal. Once that is being submitted, then it freezes and you cannot change anything, and it becomes GSTR 2A for the recipient. So likewise, if your 100 suppliers has uploaded the GSTR 1, so that will be the summary of that 100 supplier will become a summary for GSTR 2A for a buyer. So when you can view that GSTR 2A, the counterparty has not submitted GSTR 1 supply invoice, then it will not be visible in GSTR 2A, and the same can also be a GSTR 2 of the recipient. When the counterparty has submitted or filed the return, the counterparty has submitted the return, the invoice available in GSTR 2A will continue to be available for viewing. Additionally, receiver taxpayer will be able to take action on the invoice. Like you have an option whether you want to accept or reject the data that is being reflected in GSTR 2A with the accept or reject button against the invoices will be enabled for action. The information available in GSTR 2A will also be available in GSTR 2. So whatever action you can take in GSTR 2 and not GSTR 2A. So the next question arise, do I have to file GSTR 2A? No, you do not have to file GSTR 2A. It is a read-only document provided to you so that you have a record of all the invoices received from the various supplier. So it is just kind of a ready-made data available to you, and you have an option whether to accept that data or to reject that data. If you accept that data, it becomes a part of your GSTR 2, else it will remain there as a mismatch item. Can I make changes to add invoices to GSTR 2A in case there is any error or omission in details uploaded by my supplier or taxpayer? No. Since we already said that this is the auto-populated and read-only document, the information GSTR 2A is also available in GSTR 2, and any action that you want to take on under GSTR 2 on your supplies that you have purchased, you can take in GSTR 2 and not in GSTR 2A. Where are the details of TDS, TCS, etc. are available in GSTR 2? So there are different part A, part B, part C are available, under which different data of ISD, TDS, TCS and auto-populated data of GSTR 1 to 5 are available in respective parts. What happens if the respective counterparties file the return after filing GSTR 2 by the taxpayer? Let's say your supplier has not filed the GSTR 1 in time, and you have already prepared the GSTR 2, and GSTR 1 is filed after filing GSTR 2 by the counterparty. The details declared in GSTR 2 gets auto-populated to GSTR 1, and the supplier is expected to take the action, accept, reject or pending for action on such detail before filing his GSTR 1. So if you file your GSTR 2 before GSTR 1, then also you have to take the action on the pending action before you proceed for filing your GSTR 2. How do I know if there is any details auto-populated in GSTR 2, or will I be intimated as and when there is any entry in GSTR 2 or given tax period? An alert in the form of an email and a message on the dashboard will be sent to the taxpayer when any new details are auto-populated in GSTR2A. So that is, if there is any new data uploaded to GSTR2A, you will be auto-populated and it will be an automatic information flow to your dashboard that there is some new entry in your GSTR2A, and accordingly you can accept, reject or make changes under GSTR2 based on your GSTR2A data. So that is an overview of GSTR2A. If you like our video, please click on subscribe button and keep watching What's Q for future videos. Thank you.